So here what I did is my intention was that it was a lily. It can be many different things, but I wanted to show the repetition of doing one tangle over and over again. So this is crescent moon, and I'm just going to do it over and over and over again, filling what to me could be a lily. It looks like many other things, but it can be anything that you want it to be. And so I really recommend you start with gratitude, breathing in the things you're grateful for. Exhale, let all the junk go. Because what happens when you do this repetitive drawing is, well, at least for me and many, many others, your mind just relaxes and has a moment because it doesn't really have to do anything because you're just doing the same thing over and over again. During this time, I like to focus on making sure that I'm not holding my breath, biting the inside of my cheek, clenching my jaw, that I take the tongue off the roof of my mouth, that I really have light pressure holding the pen and inputting the pen to the paper. So take some time and enjoy. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and have an amazing, wonderful day. I'll talk to you towards the end. So we added some shading. I like to dim the lights a little bit. It helps to see the depth that the shading has done. And then I decided to add some fescue to that, which are these fun, I just thought it turned out really cute. So let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.